Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. We are officially in the week of Thanksgiving, and today I'm going to share with you the most amazing mashed potato recipe. These are just incredible. Now, I don't mind a little bit of a chunk in my mashed potatoes. If you do, just make sure you mash them really well. But other than that, that is the only thing I have to say, because these are phenomenal and they will be the first thing that will probably be gone. So let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna